Hello guys, welcome to my channel Market Bender. So we are back again with another analysis video for crude oil and natural gas. So let's begin. So before we jump on to crude oil analysis, let's go through some updates. So last week we have seen crude oil prices increasing, and I think the major reason is that the crude oil prices are surging because of the data pointing out uh, an increase in economic activity in China, the world largest oil importing country, and then uncertainties about the politics of US President-elect Donald Trump, who will take the office. So there are a few more updates. According to macroeconomic data released on Friday in China, the country's economy grew by 5% last year, meeting its annual growth target. And then additionally, the region's industrial production increased by 6.2% year on year in December, exceeding the forecast. Then, as Trump is preparing to take office in US, there are uncertainties surrounding his cabinet nominees, which continues to impact oil prices in the world's largest economy. One of their nominees, Scott Bessent, for U.S. Secretary of the Treasury, stated that he plans to revitalize the country's economy by implementing pro-growth regulatory policies, reducing taxes, and harnessing American energy. Another member of Federal Reserve Board of Governors stated that the bank could lower interest rate in the first half of the year if inflation decreases as expected, and as long as that inflation data remains positive or continues on its current path, interest rate cuts could happen earlier than what the markets are currently expecting. And then the prediction regarding the enhancement of economic mobility and stimulation of demand in the US, which is the world's largest oil consuming nation, are supporting prices. Now, on the other hand, the January issue of the World Bank's Global Economic Prospect Report noted that global economic growth is expected to grow by 2.7% in 2025 and 2026, as it was last year, as inflation interest rate gradually falls. Whatever has been going on around, like you might have heard about, the Israel and Gaza conflict ceasefire, notification that we have also seen last week on Friday. It is somehow, cooling off some pressure in terms of, on the oil price. And if you look at the current pattern also for crude oil prices, you will see that although the crude oil price is in uptrend, this is a 4 hour time frame chart. Although you can see the crude oil prices moving in a channel, and but we see that in last couple of days we have seen some cool off in crude oil prices. There have been some correction, and now it looks like we are into a consolidation range right now. So the price is moving between 6700 and 6830 price range. Although if you look at crude oil, anticipated price range increases that everyone is talking about is that crude oil in coming weeks is going to test higher levels. It tested the $80 range, but I think what they're expecting is around a resistance around $85 for crude oil. So this coming week, we can expect the crude oil prices to either remain in consolidation for some time, and then it might happen that it might also test the higher levels. It also depends because what are the policies that Trump is going to enforce, that also will create an impact here also on crude oil prices. So let's see how it goes in the coming weeks for crude oil. Now, if you're looking to plan trade in crude oil, you have to keep in mind that important levels, support level for crude oil is at 6700. If you see crude oil price falling below 6700 and coming out of this support channel, then I think you can plan your trades on shorter side, keeping in mind to follow proper risk management. The levels that you can think about at a shorter side is 6600, the first take profit, and then the second level will be at 6431. If you're looking for trades on a longer position, make sure that you're following bullish trend patterns. So bullish candles with high volume, you can plan your trade. Take profit level for first take profit level would be at 6864. That was previous high, and then the next target will be 69.95, which is a previous day high. Please make sure to trail your stop losses after that. So this is for crude oil. Moving on to natural gas, and I would like to share some updates also, like in terms of how natural gas prices are moving. So if you look at overall trend for natural gas, the chart, it appears to be an uptrend, and which basically shows from higher highs and higher lows throughout the period. The crucial support for natural gas is at around 315, and this is a significant area where you have seen that the price has found support multiple times, and then it came back and tested higher levels. If you have also seen that the natural gas price has recently broken above the previous high, which is the TP2 at 367, and it is basically a bullish signal which shows that there is further upside potential in natural gas. And then if it breaks above 367, then further another target could be 384 price level. If you look at other technical indicators also for natural gas, you will see that the 9-day exponential moving average, the volume weighted average price, and the super trend, both all three are indicating a bullish trend. And then I think important levels that you can think of for natural gas is that if the price breaks down below the support line that you see at the moment at 343, you can plan for short trades only if you see strong bearish candle with volume. The first take profit level will be at 326, second take profit level will be at 315, and the third take profit level will be at 300. So this is these are the targets for natural gas. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for real-time updates. I will also be coming up with some more analysis videos for other commodities items like gold and silver in the coming days. So keep watching, and have a nice day ahead.